Hello guys, how are you doing? A lot of you guys are asking me that how can we get the project file. So finally I decided to create a website where you can easily get all the project files. Just click the link in the description box below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like these. Now let's stop talking and dive straight into the video. And that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Here is the final result. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like these. I will see you guys next time.